Hennig sagt dazu,
At 6:30 last night, this Mount Olive community housing courtyard became a battleground for two rival gangs.
I was running. When I started running.
Fuck stealing your buckets, you only got the ones with holes. I don't cook crack, I'm shelving pieces of my soul. Y'all shit talkers need to move slow. Know your role before you get cut and bagged like a brick of blow. I've heard better rhymes from Dr. Seuss. You have no friends if you think that trash was the truth. I'm from the era of the jungle juice, where if you rap that trash, you get cut before you left the booth. The pure facts are, you got no custodies. No real drug dealers dry snitching like a dummy and fucking up that trap money. It's so funny, but I can't laugh. They can't rap, they just die fast. They got the whole crap looking stupid. The game's polluted, the glass raps you leave muted. The clowns are diluted and watered down. I spit hollow tipped uncut sounds, 20 racks a pound. My shit will have you buzzing for years. You want knowledge for your nose or power for your ears? Your buckets left crying in tears. Who's spitting that hot shit? The way stops here. Who's spitting that hot shit? The way stops here, stops here. The way.
One victim was driven by a friend to Etobicoke General Hospital, unaware they were being followed.
Just outside the emergency department, shots were fired at the hospital, resulting in more injuries.
Two of the other victims were rushed to Sunnybrook Hospital, where police issued a lockdown as a precaution. Today, police remain close to Etobicoke General Hospital and to the Mount Olive neighborhood.
There's been a lot of gang rivalry, and as a result, there's been a few shootings around.
The Mount Olive and the Jamestown Crips are two well-known gangs around here.